Ooh, here we go right here, man. '03 model. Look at that. Y'all see this old key? That means this is an old vehicle, okay? '03 model, all right? Jeep Liberty. Check engine light. Now, this car can only be dispatched, or this vehicle can only be dispatched with someone, to someone with a DRB. Now, guys, let me say this, because you don't have to have a fancy tool to diagnose '03 model cars. You basically need a code reader. There's not a lot of fancy gadgets in this thing. There's no BCM or door modules and things like that. This is an '03 model, so a regular code reader would work just fine. However, they dispatched it out to me. Check engine light on, brake light on. I'm certain, yeah, the brake is up. I'm gonna find out what's wrong with this. This is a hashtag short video, guys. This should be interesting. So I'm gonna need y'all. Hey, look at that. I'm gonna need y'all to stay tuned because he wants his brake checked and everything. He obviously planned on keeping it. 155,000 miles for an '03 model. Hey! Alrighty, guys. I couldn't find the code reader. So y'all see what I whipped out? My patented, I have my Pod 1, YTech 1 plugged into the data link connector. And I'm gonna use my laptop as a DRB simulator. See here, I can see that it's an '03 model. Let me go down here to launch DRB enhance. Emulator, DRB emulator, basically simulating a hardware scan tool called a DRB. Look at that. See, it even looks like it, okay, from the appearance. Now, the functions are basically the same, guys. So if you're familiar with a DRB, this will be a breeze. Let me click yes. I got the key on. Again, guys, you can use a simple code reader for this year model. Nothing fancy about it, just that I can't find mine. And I'd rather talk to you guys. 1998 through 2010. No, this is a '03. So I'm gonna leave it there. Click enter, click all, click engines. I'm almost certain this has a V6 3.7 liter, guys. A little problematic engine back in the day. Yes, I was around in the heydays of the 3.7, 4.7, now the 5.7. Okay, yeah, '03 KJ 3.7 liter V6. Now, what I want to know, or what I'm concerned with, is why the check engine light on. So, we're gonna go to DTC. All right, again, that's not a lot of modules on this vehicle. Read DTC, and what we get? Evap leak, medium leak detected, guys. This is a Wrangler. That's two codes, DTC 102. Let's see if we can get to the, I can't remember how. Let me just try to click 2 and see what happens. Or maybe it's up. It's been a minute, guys. Bear with me. Okay. It's weird how the computer detects a small, a medium evap leak as well as a large evap leak. You would think one would offset the other or prioritize it, because what's the point in checking if there's a medium leak if you detect a large leak? The good thing about large leaks is sometimes they are visible, guys. Yes, and that's a good thing, because I hate looking around for real tiny, small evap leaks. Either way, I'm going to pull out my smoke machine, but this is a good code. Okay, as far as there's nothing major technically wrong with it. Again, I have to go drive it and verify. I'm going to look it over real good. He wants us to look it over. How many miles? Yeah, we talked about the mileage on that short. Y'all saw that short. So I'm now done with this. Again, guys, you can do this with a typical code reader, because that's all I did. All right, I didn't do any activating or actuation or anything like that. Just I needed to know what the code was. And in some cases, older model vehicle, you can do the key dance, and the light will flash, and you combine count the numbers and go by it that way. But I have the equipment, so why not use it? DRB emulator. All we doing is simulating the physical DRB using my YTech, and it's wired, guys. Now you can go wireless, but I'm set up the way we're gonna do it. Now let me get this thing in the air. We're gonna do a visual, guys, because visual is the key. Again, we had a large evap leak. First thing first, let's see, check the easiest thing. Okay, it's not one of those cheapos advanced auto part caps. So however, it's not clicking. Oh my goodness. So it's like it's not. Oh guys, they got the wrong cap. Look at that. Where's my click? I'm not getting there. It's just freely turning. In fact, all right. This seems problematic, guys. So I'm gonna grab the smoke machine. We're gonna do an evap leak test. If it's leaking from here, it should be detected by the smoke machine, right? So ain't no sense guessing at that, but that is flimsy. All right, so y'all stay tuned. When I come back, we're gonna do an evap leak test using the smoke machine. I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. Alrighty guys, we got this thing in the air. Y'all know me, I'm a huge visual inspection guy. Look at that, brand new starter. So they obviously had some starting issues. Starter's fairly easy to replace on these. Now guys, on the way in the shop, I heard some scrubbing noise. I was gonna do that anyway, but I need to inspect the brakes, guys. All right, but problem at hand, or for the reason why they came in, evap leak. Guys, what do y'all don't see on here? Remember, this is a 03 model, so there's no eSIM. I don't even think the eSIM technology, well, it's basically the same, but I don't think the eSIM was out in 03. eSIMs are always attached to the vapor canister. All right, just keep that in mind. eSIM 100% all the time live attached to the vapor canister. This car is likely equipped with a leak detection pump. Okay, wherever hose coming off this evap canister, yes, it's right here. Okay, this is the main feed. Yes, that's all you should do. Just follow the trail. All right, sorry guys, but that is the leak detection pump. So I'm gonna do my testing at this hose right here. Technically not the hose. I'm gonna bolt directly on the canister. See, when I put my tool on the canister and I pressurize the canister, I'm essentially pressurizing the entire evaporator system. Okay, I'm testing it for leaks and seeing, yeah, I'm testing it for leaks. So let me get this hose off and get my tool attached. Let's get it. Alright guys, my ball has stabilized right there. It don't look like it's gonna fall any lower, so leaks should be evident right about now. So now all we do is look around. Alright, let's look at that problematic area. I don't see nothing under here. That fuel cap. What? Uh-oh. Y'all see what I see? Yeah, buddy. Let me let this thing down some. Oh, that's a lot too. Let me let this thing down some. Yeah, my ball is not gonna drop at all. Hold tight, guys. All right, guys, I got it down low. We're gonna go physically take a look, a visual inspection. Smoke machine still on. That's it, guys. Remember, this cap, it's not even clicking. It's likely the wrong cap, but this is the reason I have the evap large leak as well as the medium leak. Now, to do this, or to verify that this is the problem, actually, I'm gonna go find a good cap. See, my ball is not. I'm gonna find a cap and put it on there and see if my ball drop all the way. That's a way to verify 100% that that's your problem. All right, guys, look what I found. Yes, this should work right here, guys. You know what's weird? They look identical. Yeah, it just could simply be a bad fuel pump cap. All right. Let's get my known good one on here. Look at that. It even clicks, guys. Guarantee that's your problem. Now let's restart my smoke machine and see what my ball do now. We want the ball to drop all the way to the bottom, signaling there is no evaporative leaks. Okay, by law you should not be letting exhaust fumes and vapors escape into the atmosphere. That is the job of the evaporative emission system, to collect those vapors in the charcoal canister and store for a later time, to pull back into the engine and burn at a later date. Look at that ball, guys. What do y'all think? Yeah. Come on, baby. Get to the bottom. See, if you hit the bottom, you don't even have a small evap leak. I want to see it drop all the way to the freaking bottom. We already below point 20. Come on, baby. What are you doing? I ain't got all day. Come on, baby. You can do it for Papa. Do it for Papa. Come on. That's it, guys. All right, guys. We have just verified the problem, and the problem that will fix the problem. Okay. I don't know. It wouldn't click. It wouldn't do nothing. So this is it, guys. I'm gonna shut this video down. That's mainly what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So there's some more things I need to do to this Jeep, but I don't want to tie this video up. I want to get it rendered and edited, or edited and rendered and uploaded. There's some body work the customer gonna deal with. Oh, all right, guys. So that's all I have, man. I appreciate you guys watching, man. Comment, subscribe if you're not already, and again, thanks for watching.